I'm Connor Joseph. This is my bike check. I got your Eastern 2010 shell head frame, painted purple. Eastern fork, Eastern stem, E-Clat Ashley Charles bars in chrome. Got the Eastern front wheel with the Animal GLX foldable. Got your McNeil 2010 conjoined cranks in white, and your demolition pedals that are unsealed. Eastern Medusa sprocket 25 tooth. YBN half link in blue. Your E-Clat E-Clat seat post combo in white. Got your G Sport ratchet laced to a roll cage with red spokes, and an Aaron Ross tire 2.35 back.
Is there anything about your bike that may make it different than everybody else's, like setup wise?
Nobody has G Sports.
True enough.